Are you concerned about the impact of advancing technology on job security in the year 2023 and beyond? With rapid advancements in automation, there is a growing worry about the potential displacement of workers. However, not all jobs can be easily replaced by technology, even as we move into the future. There are several professions that rely on unique human qualities and skills that make them resistant to complete automation. Let's dive into 9 jobs that technology can't replace in 2023 and beyond. Let's dive into these professions and uncover why they remain irreplaceable in an ever-evolving technological landscape. Psychiatrists and therapists play a crucial role in the field of mental health by providing vital support and therapy to individuals. The intricacies of human emotions and behaviors cannot be easily replicated by technology. Psychiatrists and therapists possess the ability to interpret nonverbal cues, such as body language and facial expressions, which often reveal important information about a person's mental state. This understanding enables them to make accurate assessments, develop personalized treatment plans, and navigate the complexities of each individual's unique circumstances. The field of mental health is diverse and encompasses a wide range of conditions and experiences. Psychiatrists and therapists adapt their approaches and therapeutic techniques to meet the unique needs of each patient. They draw upon their deep understanding of psychological theories, evidence-based practices, and clinical experience to provide comprehensive and effective care. This personalized approach ensures that individuals receive the specific support they require, enhancing their chances of achieving positive outcomes. While technology can certainly play a supportive role in mental health care, offering tools, resources, and even teletherapy options, it cannot fully replace the essential human qualities that psychiatrists and therapists bring to the table. Unique experiences, thoughts, and perceptions is difficult for machines to replicate as they lack the depth of human consciousness and the capacity to form subjective interpretations. Artistic expression is deeply intertwined with human emotions. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping the minds of students and preparing them for the future. While technology has made significant advancements in the field of education, the unique qualities and skills that teachers bring to the table make it challenging to replace their role with technology alone. Educators provide personalized guidance and adapt their teaching methods to meet the individual needs of each student. The human connection that teachers cultivate promotes a sense of belonging and emotional well-being, which are crucial for students' overall development. Another key aspect where teachers excel is their adaptability in meeting the diverse needs of learners. Education is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and teachers understand this implicitly. They have the flexibility to adapt their teaching methods, strategies, and materials to cater to the unique needs, abilities, and learning styles of their students. While technology can be a valuable tool in education, it cannot replace the human touch, the personalized guidance, the establishment of meaningful connections, and the adaptability that teachers bring to the learning process. But before we move into the next selection, we want to give a big shout out to all of you who have stuck around until now. We're thrilled to have your attention and support. Before we continue, we have a small favor to ask. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. By becoming a subscriber, you'll be part of our community and won't miss any of our future content. If you're enjoying what you're seeing, a quick like would mean the world to us. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you're always in the loop when we release new videos. Thank you for joining us, and let's jump right into the exciting part together. In the legal field, judges and lawyers are integral components of the justice system, employing their expertise in complex decision-making, interpretation of laws, negotiation, and emotional intelligence. These aspects of their work rely on the unique capabilities of human judgment, making it indispensable in the legal profession. Complex decision-making is a fundamental aspect of the legal field. Judges must weigh evidence, analyze legal arguments, and apply relevant laws to render fair and just judgments. Their decisions have far-reaching implications, shaping legal precedents and impacting the lives of individuals involved. Interpretation of laws is another critical aspect of the legal field. Legal systems are built upon a framework of statutes, regulations, and precedents, which require analysis and interpretation. Judges are tasked with interpreting laws and applying them to specific cases, considering the intentions of legislators and the evolving societal context. Similarly, lawyers analyze statutes, legal codes, and prior case decisions to construct compelling arguments that support their clients' positions. Human judgment allows judges and lawyers to navigate the complexities of legal texts and apply them appropriately to the situations they encounter. While technology can aid in legal research and document management, the distinct qualities of human judgment, honed through years of legal practice, remain indispensable in the legal profession. Professional athletes possess a unique combination of physicality, agility, strategic thinking, and emotional aspects that make their skills and competitive spirit challenging to replicate through machines. While technology has made advancements in sports equipment and analysis, the essence of athletic performance relies on the inherent qualities and abilities that only human athletes can bring to the field. The physicality of sports is a defining characteristic that sets professional athletes apart. Whether it's the explosive power of a sprinter, the precision of a gymnast, or the endurance of a long-distance runner, athletes push their bodies to the limits to achieve remarkable feats. While machines can simulate certain movements, they lack the organic fluidity, adaptability, and intuitive responsiveness that human bodies inherently possess. Agility is another crucial aspect of athletic performance that remains challenging to replicate through technology alone. Athletes must react swiftly to changing circumstances, make split-second decisions, and execute precise movements with precision and control. The ability to anticipate opponents' actions, adjust strategies on the fly, and adapt to unpredictable game situations is a testament to the human mind and body's agility. While machines can simulate predetermined responses, they struggle to match the dynamic nature of athletic competition and the instinctual reactions that human athletes possess. The combination of physical abilities, cognitive prowess, and emotional intelligence that athletes bring to the field creates a unique and irreplaceable experience. While technology can enhance training methods, provide data analysis, and improve equipment, it cannot replicate the essence of athletic performance rooted in the intricacies of the human body, mind, and spirit. The awe-inspiring displays of athleticism, the thrilling competitions, and the unyielding determination exhibited by human athletes will continue to captivate audiences and remind us of the extraordinary capabilities of the human form. Chefs are artisans of the culinary world, where their expertise and creativity transform ingredients into exquisite dishes. The realm of culinary arts encompasses much more than mere food preparation. It requires a unique blend of skills and qualities that make it challenging for machines to replicate fully. From creativity and sensory perception to experimentation and cultural understanding, chefs bring a distinct touch to the culinary experience. At the heart of culinary arts lies creativity, an essential element that distinguishes chefs from machines. Chefs are masterful in combining flavors, textures, and visual elements to craft dishes that tantalize the senses. They possess the imaginative ability to conceptualize unique recipes, create innovative flavor pairings, and present food in visually appealing ways. Their creativity extends beyond following recipes. It involves thinking outside the box, pushing boundaries, and constantly exploring new culinary horizons. Experimentation is a fundamental part of the culinary arts, enabling chefs to explore new techniques, flavors, and combinations. They push culinary boundaries, break conventions, and take risks to create innovative and exciting culinary experiences. Chefs experiment with ingredients, cooking methods, and presentation styles, constantly seeking to surprise and delight their diners. This spirit of exploration and willingness to embrace trial and error is inherently human, driven by curiosity and a desire for culinary excellence. Machines, on the other hand, lack the intuition and adaptive thinking required for experimentation, making the chef's role indispensable in culinary innovation. Understanding cultural norms is another area where human chefs excel. Food is deeply intertwined with culture, history, and traditions, and chefs play a pivotal role in preserving and celebrating culinary heritage. They study and appreciate the unique ingredients, techniques, and flavors associated with different cuisines. Chefs not only reproduce traditional dishes but also infuse their own interpretations, bringing cultural stories to life through their culinary creations. This cultural understanding requires a deep connection to the human experience, which machines cannot replicate. Emergency responders, including firefighters, paramedics, and police officers, play indispensable roles in ensuring public safety and responding to crisis situations. Their work entails facing high-stakes, time-sensitive scenarios where quick decision-making, adaptability, and physical agility are of paramount importance. These aspects make their roles uniquely challenging to automate, as they require a complex interplay of human skills and qualities. In crisis situations, time is of the essence, and emergency responders must make split-second decisions that can often mean the difference between life and death. Firefighters must rapidly assess the dynamics of a fire, determine the best strategies for containment and rescue, and coordinate with their team members to execute the plan effectively. Paramedics must evaluate patients' conditions swiftly, diagnose and administer appropriate treatments, and make critical decisions regarding medical interventions on the spot. Police officers must assess threats, navigate potentially dangerous environments, and make instant decisions to protect themselves and others. These life-or-death situations demand not only knowledge and expertise but also the ability to think quickly, analyze multiple factors, and choose the most appropriate course of action in highly stressful and time-critical circumstances. The capacity for rapid decision-making and the capability to adapt strategies as situations unfold are inherent human qualities that remain challenging to replicate with technology. While technology can provide tools and equipment to assist emergency responders, the physicality required to perform their duties effectively remains a significant obstacle to full automation. Salespeople are the backbone of businesses across various industries, responsible for driving revenue growth and forging valuable relationships with customers. While advancements in technology have influenced the sales landscape, the role of human salespeople remains indispensable and challenging to replace completely. One critical aspect of sales that is difficult to replicate with technology is the complexity of negotiating. Successful salespeople possess the skills to navigate intricate negotiations, understand customer needs, and find mutually beneficial solutions. They can adapt their approach based on individual customer preferences, identify pain points, and offer tailored solutions. Effective negotiation requires active listening, critical thinking, and the ability to persuade and influence others. Human salespeople can read nonverbal cues, interpret emotions, and build rapport with customers, enabling them to navigate complex negotiations successfully. These aspects of negotiation rely on human judgment, intuition, and the ability to build trust, making it challenging for technology to replicate the full spectrum of human negotiation skills.